for joining me. My name is Daphne. I own a chain of fast casual cafes in Singapore, and this is my story. I've been a chef for over 13 years, and what drew me to this craft is the fact that I can express my creativity through the food. And more importantly, I'm drawn to the vibrancy and the social interaction that you can have with people from all walks of life. But COVID-19 changed that. So COVID-19 came, and we all knew that everyone should try to stay at home as much as possible. And as I walked through my cafe, the thought came to my mind, how do I keep my workers safe at home? I figured my restaurant would not need dining plates for quite a while, and I decided to do this project of saving all the restaurant plates and giving them a new lease of life. I wanted to express the impact COVID-19 have on the world, and which is why I've decided to paint homes from around the world onto these plates. So from Saybons table to your dining table, these plates are an extension of the Saybons values of always enjoying home-cooked goodness. As long as COVID-19 stays, my team and I will be painting every piece of plate from our cafes and giving them a new lease of life, a new purpose. I hope you will join me in this project to save a plate, to save a cafe, and in exchange, you can own a piece of history.